Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about Oppo K10 5G phone setting. In this video guys, I will show you how can you set pattern in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to set your lock screen pattern, so why you can set it. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set pattern. So let's see how to set pattern in Oppo K10 phone. So let's start the video. First of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys, scroll it and guys, you will have to come on guys security setting. This password and security setting guys you can see in your phone. Click here guys, click on lock screen password. After that you can see this important notice, you can read, you want to read guys, click on continue. So guys, click on pattern. So which pattern guys you want to set. Example for guys, we will take this L guys. Two time you want to add fingerprint. Now guys, we don't want to add. And guys, let's see pattern is set or not in our Oppo phone. So you can see pattern has set it in our Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pattern in Oppo K10 phone 5G. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like, subscribe my channel. Bye.